the Directional Breakout Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and apply it to your chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is activated on the chart, an oscillator window will appear at the bottom of the chart. The Directional Breakout Indicator is a special and practical tool that displays range-bound areas with yellow bars and trending areas with green and red bars. Additionally, this indicator will issue a buy signal whenever the price exits the defined range and then enters an uptrend, and it will issue a sell signal when the price subsequently enters a downtrend as described. In the Settings section under the Input tab, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can set the calculation period, which is set to 20 by default. The higher we set this value, the more it identifies long-term trends, and the lower we set it, the more it displays short-term trends for us. When we increase the calculation period, longer-term trends and fewer trend changes are identified for us, and the trends that are detected tend to be more reliable. In the next section, we can. Here, the options, simple, exponential, smooth, and linear rate are available. In the next section, we can specify the type of price calculation, whether it's based on the closing price, opening price, highest price, lowest price, and other options available here. In the following section, we can enable or disable the alert notification when exiting the range-bound zone to the trending zone. In the next section, we can enable or disable the alert notification when the candle is open or closed at the moment it moves from the range-bound zone to the trending zone and the candle is still active. If this option is set to true, the alert will be issued immediately. If set to false, the alert will be issued only after the candle closes. In the next section, we can enable or disable the alert notification in the form of a message. We can also enable or disable the alert notification as a sound, as well as the alert notification to email in the mailbox. If you set this option to true, you must have already configured the email settings in the Tools section under Options. In the next section, we can specify the sound file for the sound alert. In the following section, we can enable or disable the display of buy and sell signals when exiting the range-bound zone and entering the trending zone. In the next section, we can choose a name prefix for the objects. In the next section, we can set the distance between the buy and sell signals and the candlestick, which allows us to control how close or far these signals appear in relation to the price action on the chart. For example, here we can clearly see the signals that are generated when the price exits the range-bound zone and begins to enter the trending zone, which is a key moment for many trading strategies. Buy and sell signals help traders identify potential entry and exit points, and adjusting their distance from the candlestick can make the signals more visible and easier to interpret. In this part, I will demonstrate how to set a specific distance for these signals, ensuring they are displayed at a position that is both practical and visually clear for analysis, which is based on pixels. In the next section, we can set the color for the upward signals as well as the downward signals, which means the buy and sell signals, respectively. This allows for clear visual distinction between the two types of signals. In the following section, we can set the signal codes, which can be entered here based on MQL codes, and we can change the type of indicator. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.